Today we're going to install an aftermarket Android radio on this 2011 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the radio. Now it's time to install the aftermarket one. So this one comes with its connections that it hooks up straight to the radio. Alright, so here it is. It's a direct fit right into the wiring harness and directly to the radio. This I really have no idea what it does, but we're going to find out. So let's go ahead and plug everything. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the antenna. Here it is. Comes with the adapter for it already. It also comes with two USB plugins with this adapter. I really have no idea what it's for. Looks like a micro USB. Comes with a GPS. There it is. Comes with video inputs, video audio output, also video output, reverse camera down there. But we're just gonna plug all this up and see what's up. Kind of just figured out what this does. This one plugs into the radio. Alright, sweet. So this should control like the reverse camera and everything. Hopefully. Should be, I don't know. We'll find out right now. Alright, let's see what happens when we turn this on. Oh, well, that was the owner's reaction. Boy. So let's see what happens when it fully boots up. So there it is, finally booted up. Oh, it shows the doors open. Boy, that shit is dope. Mo, close the goddamn door. Oh, there it goes. So sweet. This looks like obviously our main menu for our folder for our apps. Oh look, it already comes pre-installed with YouTube. Here comes the radio and see what's up. Yes. Yes, that's pretty much what I wanted to see, if it was going to connect directly to it. I'm going to turn this off because I don't want to get monetized. Sweet. Let's see what other options you have. Let's go into settings. Nice. Systems, car settings. Let's go into car settings to see if you allow us. Oh, nice. You do allow us to go in here. Wow. Okay. Brake settings. To watch videos. Display. It has a bunch of settings on here. We'll mess with that later. But there it is. Radio is working. We'll just run all these cables to it. Pretty simple, plug and play. And then we run all these cables and we'll move on to the next step. So I got the camera working. Oh yeah, right there pointed at me. But I can't hook it up to the reverse camera because there is not a reverse input signal on here. They send the camera, but they didn't send the wire for the radio. So we're not going to be able to hook up the camera. But I mean, we have one for a side video if you want to have like footage in here or something. But let's go ahead and just wire everything back into place. You will have to remove the old clips from the original trim to put them onto here because they don't come with them in order for the radio to lock into place. Alright, so this came in two pieces and I had to cut this piece off. It was right here. So throw that to the side. Let's go ahead and mount this piece in first, then we'll throw on the radio. Alright, on this one we're going to have to remove that screw from right there so we can set that plastic trim and put it on top. So let's go ahead and do that. It will be 7mm. Alright, that one is done. And this one, let's go ahead and put the screw back on, which I already did. So this is nice and secured. Let's go ahead and put the radio back into its place. I said it was two piece, it's actually what, three piece? So this here is gonna go up here. And then we'll bolt it down with one of the screws. This little cover is gonna go in there after we put on one of the screws that goes right in there. Alright, now just go ahead and put on this little cover here. Clip it into place. Perfect. Put the little mat that goes to it. Perfect. Put the mat that goes up here. After you secure the bolts, and you're set. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. It does not have fast boot, but we'll give it a second. This is where I ran the USB cables to, so you could run a flash drive with all your music. AC still works and everything. We didn't mess with that. Here are our vents. The only thing that didn't push in correctly was just right there, but it's no big deal. I'm sure once we get the cable for the reverse camera, because they didn't send the cable that hooks up to the radio, should be good. But other than that, it's ready to rock and roll. Turn up the volume. Sweet. And there it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mo just pointed out one thing. We forgot this trim. This trim goes right down here. Open up the door so you can see it. There it is. It just goes right in there. And we're set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.